Welcome to Day 3 of the 14-day Flutter Beginner Series. Today, you'll learn how to use TextField and button to get user input and show it on screen. This is your first step into making interactive Flutter apps. Let's start by creating our main app structure. This is where we define the theme and home page. Let's start by setting up the main structure of our app. We're using Material App to wrap our entire application and define its look and feel. With theme data, we customize our theme, colors, fonts, and more. And the home property points to my home page, which will serve as our main screen when the app launches. We use a stateful widget because we want the UI to update whenever the user types something and taps the button. We also use a text editing controller to get the input directly from the user. It lets us access the value typed into the text field. Then, we declare string text equals. This is our state variable that holds the current text. Whenever the user enters a new text and hits the button, this variable updates, and we show it on the screen. This is our main screen. We've added a text field, a button, and a text widget to show the result. When the button is tapped, it calls update name and updates the display. We've built the main screen using a column widget to stack our elements vertically. To add spacing between items, we've used sized box. The text field is connected to a text editing controller, which helps us capture the user's input. When the button is pressed, it triggers update name, updating the text widget to reflect the new value. Great job! You just made your first interactive Flutter app. Tomorrow in Day 4, we'll build a to-do list and learn how to use lists and dynamic widgets. Don't forget to like and subscribe.